We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Lexmark C2535 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace the waste toner bottle. So it's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is we are going to lower this front cover here. We're going to turn it so you can see a little bit better. And then on the side here, there's this little switch. You're just going to push that little switch so this top cover opens and swing that up. And now on the side here, you'll see there's a green tab. There's one on either side of your toner. You're going to push in on the green tabs, and then you can lower this side cover all the way down. And right here is your waste toner bottle. So in order to remove it, well, first we need to raise up our toner cartridge just a little bit. So there's these little blue tabs. Lift those blue tabs and they'll lock and put into place. And now you'll see there's a little green tab on either side of your waste toner. You're going to go ahead and push in on either of those, and you can slide the waste toner bottle straight out. So be careful, you can pour toner out of these, so just make sure once it's full, kind of get it removed off to the side and make sure it's sitting on a nice dry flat surface so it doesn't fall over. But once you have your new one unpacked and ready to use, we're just going to take it and you can line it up with all the imaging units and press straight in until it clicks into place. We're going to go ahead and lower these blue tabs back down, and now we can set our cover back up. Make sure that all the there's little hinges on the bottom, make sure they're set in place, and then you can pivot this up. There we go. That wasn't locked all the way in. There we go. Pivot that all the way up until it's locked into place. Now we can lower the top cover here and bring up our front cover. And now we'll just give the printer a second to initialize, and once it comes back to a full ready state, you're good to go and you're back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help you out with those. Also, if you find yourself needing any supplies for your printer, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.